This book was written in 1966 by Eugene Schwartz. In 2017, I started my journey online. I created this channel to record that journey. That journey started with internet marketing, doing Facebook ads as an affiliate to offers over at ClickBank. I've since changed what and how I do online to make money, but the principle stays the same. And the concept or the idea of this channel is to inform you about my journey and, for me, what really works in internet marketing. And to do that, I've written a report. If you'd like a copy of this report, yesgary.com is the site to go to. Again, that's yesgary.com, like it said on the thumbnail, link in the description and the pinned first comment, or yesgary, 2 R's in Gary.com. You can just type it in and you can get this report right here. What really works in internet marketing? Again, this book was written in 1966. I got a copy in 2017. I learned about Eugene Schwartz, and he is the reason that this channel is called 30-Minute Marketing, because he had an idea or a concept where he would set a timer for 33 minutes and 33 seconds and go to work and do nothing else until that timer ended, and then he would get up and then he would take a break and then he would come back. I later on found out that was called the Pomodoro technique, which was based around 25 minutes. But again, Eugene Schwartz, the author of this book that was written in 1966, told me to do it for 33 minutes and 33 seconds, and it made sense for me in the speech that he gave, which I've since listened to time and time again, as well as read this book. Also, this report, What Really Works in Internet Marketing, again, link in the description, or you can go to yesgary.com to grab a free copy of this report, What Really Works in Internet Marketing, where I talk about ways to make money online and the ways to do it, and the simple ways to do it, and what really works and how you can get started. I have a quote in this report: be willing to be a beginner every single morning. That means a lot to me, because what that means to me is I wake up every morning and I'm ready to get started. No matter what the day before held for me, I am refreshed and I'm ready. There's no such thing as burnout, because every day I wake up and I start off as a beginner. I start off saying, today is my day. Today is the day that I'm going to do more of what I did yesterday that worked. And I'm going to keep going forward, because this is what I want to do. This is where I'm at right now, and it works. I know it works, so I'm going to continue my journey and continue sharing my journey with you, like Eugene Schwartz did in 1966 when he wrote this book. I wrote this report for you. What Really Works in Internet Marketing. You can get it for free. Again, you can go to yesgary.com, and you may have watched all of this video and said to yourself, what does this have to do with me making money online, meaning you? The key here is continue to watch what I do and share with you here on the YouTube channel. Read the report, but understand that the way for you to get internet marketing to work for you and to make money online is to start your own journey today. Start your own journey and share those experiences. Share what you want your message to be with the world, and you will be surprised on what will happen. Again, Eugene Schwartz, 1966, wrote this book. 2017, I started this channel. I thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget yesgary.com. Grab a copy of the report, What Really Works in Internet Marketing, and I look forward to hearing your experience with my report, and I'll talk to you later.